Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wire pearl tree, and for that we need winding wire. It is also called floral wire of 24 gauge, and also we need some pearls and a pair of scissors. So first of all what we have to do is we need to cut this roll. But guys, if you can get straight wires, not this kind of roll, you can skip this step. So after cutting it, we will try to make it straight. But you know it will be difficult when the number of wires are more. Here I want to tell you, if you want to make a big tree, you have to use long wires and more in numbers. But if you want to make a small tree, you have to use short wires and less in numbers. Now separate how much you want to take. Here I am taking 60 numbers of wires in each side. Finally, this is the one I will work with, and it has 60 numbers of wire in each side, and altogether that is 120, and the height you can see this is more than 30 centimeter. Here put a finger inside this loop and twist it. So here we are making the stem part, and now twist it up to a certain height, and here I am twisting it to the half of the length of the wire. Now we will make the whole tree in a simple rule, that is divide and twist. Here you can see I have taken a small part and the upper is again twisting. Here the small part again I am dividing into half, and then I will twist it. See how I am doing. And then the rest part, for the rest part again I am dividing it into half, and again I will twist it. And if you follow this process throughout, at the very end you can get only 2 wires and you have to twist it. So here is the close look how you will twist it. And in other case, at the very end you can get 3 wires, and here is the close look how we will do that. Now coming back to the tree, here this small part is already done and the upper part is twisted, then it is divided into these 2 parts, and then again this part is divided into these 2 parts, and so on. Now following the same process, divide and twist, we have to make as many branches as we can. And you know, the more branches we will make, the more fullest and dense it will look. And this is the last part remaining, and guys, one thing keep in mind that these end parts of the wires can poke in your hand, so please be careful while doing. So after twisting all the parts, we will get something like this. Now we have to arrange all the branches in every direction so that the tree will look like very dense. Now for the bottom part, we will make a structure so that the tree can stand by its own. So here do as I am doing, take small sections and twist it. Do it in every direction. So the next step is to cut the extra long ends, but keep in mind don't make it extra small, then it will be difficult to add the pearls. Now here is the last step to add the pearls, so take a close look how I'll do that. So this is a tree I have made and I named it the Lucky Silver Tree. I hope you like it, and let me know if you also make your own silver tree. Thank you so much for watching.